All right, guys, we're doing an air duct job today for a client and also her dryer vent cleaning. We got upstairs and downstairs, and then we're gonna do the dryer vent last. So stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, we are ready for some action. We already got all the turns removed, and we are getting ready to do some cleaning. Stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a good day. All right, guys, here's the return in the wall cavity in the hallway. Let's look at that, guys. Yep, getting all the stuff you're breathing in. Let's take a look down there. Oh yeah. Let's take a look down here as well. Yes, sir. Look at that. Stay tuned for the afterwork. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we are on the main trunk line. This is the return, as you can see, guys. Look at that. We already did the supply. This is the return main trunk line. Yeah, buddy, yeah. All that yummy stuff there. Pull back into there. All that yummy stuff there. So, all right, guys. Remember, keep your HVAC clean so you can breathe better. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the afterwork of the main trunk line of the return. As you can see, it is so much better, cleaner, and the client is going to be so thankful and grateful. All right, guys, it's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.